Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today we're going to have a very quick unboxing video because I've just received this package in the post, and this is a package sent in by Tommy, and he watched one of my recent videos and saw that I was missing a certain item from my Star Wars collection, and he very kindly said that he had one that he would like to send me, and it has just arrived. So I'm actually quite excited to open this because this is a toy that I have never owned, so it's going to be a new one to add into my collection. So let's just crack on and open this box and I'll show you what it is. So I have a knife here and we'll try and get this packaging open. It looks very well packed, so it's going to take a little while. There we go. I think I've just about got into it now. Let's open this up. We've got a few little patches there, sew-on patches. Let's have a look and see what these are. So these are from Star Garrison. It says, Dave, thanks for all you do, and that says Tommy there, and these are from TK68911. So this is the 501st Legion. These are really cool. I often see these guys at various sort of Comic-Cons and things. I go to the UK branch anyway, but this is obviously the US one. So I've got some nice 501st Garrison sew-on patches. Those are pretty cool, really nice. They're going to go on my board here. Very cool things. There's a little note in here, so let's have a read of that. Don't we just pull this off camera because there's an address. It says, all right, I'm not going to read what it is because it tells me exactly what's in it, but I do know. So anyway, first up, badges and sew-on patches. Very cool. I do like those sorts of things. They can go certainly on my display board here. Let's open up this. So in here we have a bit more bubble wrap. Let's just move this out of the way. And we can start opening up the bubble wrap. It's been very well packed. I've got a knife along that to start cutting this bubble wrap off. And again, we're in a little pot and it's still bubble wrapped inside the pot. So let's open this one up. A bit more tape. Open that one up, and inside here we have more bubble wrap. And more bubble wrap. But there you go, you can start to see what the figure is. And I think if you've watched my recent videos, you'll know that this is a figure I have never owned, and it is a vintage blue snaggletooth from Star Wars, and Tommy very kindly said that he had a spare one that he would like to send me and add it to my collection here, and there you go, this is an original blue snaggletooth. Really nice. It's certainly a figure I've never had in my collection just because it wasn't released here in the UK, so it's always been a particularly hard one to get, and shipping from the US and just sort of general prices put this way out of my sort of collecting range, but that is a super generous donation there. It's a fantastic figure. This is sort of one of the grails for many collectors to get into their collection, and it is actually the last Star Wars figure I need to get to finish my sort of set of figures. I've got all of the others over the years, and this was the last one that I needed to add. So yeah, I just have to say absolutely a massive thank you to Tommy. Really generous of him to send this over to me, and a super thing to add to my collection, and it really will go on in sort of pride of place here because it's a figure I never thought I would get to sort of add just because it's so rare here. So really, absolutely, yeah, massive thanks to Tommy, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.